Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. What must be added in minus 9b square minus 2b minus 1 to get minus b square minus 2b minus 2? So minus 9b square minus 2b minus 1 plus something equal to minus b square minus 2b minus 2. So this a, that is this a expression is going to be, let me write it this way, a is going to be equal to minus b square minus 2b minus 2. Now we'll take all of these terms over to right hand side one by one. So this is going to be equal to minus 9b square, when changes side will be plus 9b square, minus 2b when changes side will be plus 2b, and minus 1 after changing the side will be plus 1. So we get a equal to 9b square minus b square is 8b square. 2b minus 2b cancel out, and minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So let's see, answer is option B.